Good morning. Welcome to the Ag Market Morning Update. This is the 30th of August, and looking at what's going on from overnight, all of the agricultural markets are up at least a small amount. Crude oil market is down, the dollar's up, precious metals are down, and the stock market right now is down a small amount. It's been flipping and flopping it unchanged there. Looking around, global stock markets are up. Asia stock markets closed up, led by the Chinese Hang Seng Index. European stock markets currently trading pretty evenly across the continent, are up about the same amount on a percentage basis. And let's look around at some of the news as far as continued sell-off in grains. We continue to deal with a big crop that seems to be getting bigger. As far as cotton goes, we are spending our time around 70 cents. We get above it, we get below it. We closed below it yesterday. We're back above it this morning. The latest estimates are for about 400,000 bales lost, but I've heard 400,000 bales lost to 500,000 bales lost in the South Texas area. Looking at some of the other news that's out there before we get into where the markets are trading. The effects of Harvey are still being calculated, and the latest indicate we could be looking at $80 billion worth of losses, which would be the second most damage in history. Still seeing South Korea in the news. South Korea companies have been suffering here in recent days as a result of North Korea's 2 days ago firing the rocket across Japanese airspace. So that's something that continues to make the market nervous. Let's take a look at where we are in the markets. As I mentioned to you, we were just slightly up in the grain markets, and looking at that, we're right now looking at cotton up 12 at 70.10, a high of 70.18, a low of 69.84. That's December cotton. November soybeans are up 1 cent at 9.38 and a quarter, a high of 9.41, a low of 9.35 and a half. December corn right now is actually up a quarter at 3.49, a high of 3.49 and a quarter, a low of 3.48. That market is extremely oversold. For those people that keep up with the stochastic indicator, it at one point yesterday it had gotten down to 2.8. That's very oversold. We're going to go ahead and move to December wheat now. December wheat's up 2 3/4 at 432 and a half, a high of 433 and a half, a low of 429 and a half. Crude oil is down 33 cents a barrel in October at 46.11. The dollar's up 41. Gold down 5, silver down 8. We've seen those markets the last few days as more of a flight to stability moving up. They are cooling off some today, and the S&P futures last trading up about 1. All right, let's take a look at the calendar. Big number today is GDP, and GDP comes out, let's see, first thing at 7:30. EIA, energy storage, always seems to have an effect on the energy market. It comes out at 9:30, and that's it. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.